Hey guys, this is Paul and
Emmy.
Emmy on Two Birds, One Stone, Backyard Gardening and Living. And today we're gonna make a pull-up bar. A kid's pull-up bar and a dad pull-up bar. We're all about exercise in the garden. Can you do a pull-up, Emmy?
No.
Are you gonna be able to?
No.
Do you think so? If you practice?
Maybe.
Maybe. He's going to be able to do a pull-up, folks. We're going to start training him about 6 to 8 hours a day. We have plans for Mr. Emiliano here to be a world-class Olympic athlete.
No.
Okay, maybe just to be able to do one pull-up. Okay, one pull-up. Here we have Emmy digging the hole for the post. He's doing a good job here, putting the soil into the wheelbarrow. Here's the other hole, and we're using the laundry line. All right, into the wheelbarrow. Emmy, can you go get me that big rock bar? All right. Emmy, you want to hammer a nail in? I just want some nails hammered in like this. All right, got the bars in. Now I just need a 2x4 to span the length, and one for Emmy down here. Backyard pull-up bar, backyard gardening and living. Hey, if you guys like this weird content, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button, it really helps a lot. Thank you.
The 4x4?
2x4.
2x4.
2x4, and you're doing it, what's it gonna be?
A pull-up bar.
The actual bar, huh? Remember, you let the saw do the work. So you just drag it back and forth. Yeah, you're doing good, Emmy.
It's right here.
Can I show you once?
Okay.
Okay, you hold the camera and film me, okay? It's filming right now. All right. See how I'm going to point the saw down a little bit?
Yeah.
I'm not putting it down, just going back. Okay, you guys, we got our pull-up bar set up. We still have to clean up afterwards, but we have our pull-up bars up. We can do them. Cement's still wet, but that won't stop us. We're gonna do a pull-up. Emmy, what do we need first? Power berries. We're gonna go get some power berries. Come with us. 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby blues. Power berry. This is gonna make us do pull-ups, right? Thank you. All right. You're giving it to the people?
Yeah.
Liverpool. How about this one?
Use my yellow crayon, go ahead and use my yellow crayon. If you want to write, if you want to draw, go ahead and use my yellow crayon.
Power berries. Hey, thanks for watching Two Birds, One Stone. Backyard Gardening and Living. Give a like, give a subscribe. It really helps the channel.